Today I am reviewing the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 Fish Finder. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have spent any amount of time on the water, you know that the difference between a frustrating day of casting at empty shadows and a successful day of landing fish often comes down to the quality of your electronics. After putting the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 Fish Finder through its paces in various conditions, I can confidently say that this unit is a powerhouse for its size and price point. It is not just an entry-level device, it is a precision instrument that brings a level of clarity to the underwater world that was previously reserved for much more expensive hardware. The first thing that stands out when you get the PiranhaMAX 4 out on the boat is the display. The 4.3-inch color screen is surprisingly sharp. Even in direct sunlight, which is usually the downfall of many mid-range fish finders, the interface remains readable and bright. You do not find yourself squinting or trying to shade the screen with your hand just to see the bottom contours. This clarity is essential because the PiranhaMAX 4 is capable of showing you a lot of fine detail that you might otherwise miss. The heart of the system is the Dual Beam Sonar, and this is where the unit really earns its keep. Having the ability to switch between a narrow and a wide beam is a total game changer for different fishing styles. When I use the narrow beam, the level of detail is incredible. It allows me to pinpoint fish that are tucked tight against structure or sitting right on the bottom. You can actually distinguish between a brush pile and a group of fish, which is something that cheaper single beam units often struggle with. On the other hand, flipping over to the wide beam gives me a much more generous coverage area. This is perfect when I am scouting new water and just want to get a general sense of where the bait fish are congregating or where the drop-offs begin. The transition between these beams is seamless, and it allows you to adapt your strategy on the fly. Installation is another highlight. The included transom mount transducer is straightforward to set up, and the cable length is more than adequate for most small to medium-sized boats. The tilt and swivel mount for the head unit itself is robust and smooth. I really appreciate how quickly I can adjust the viewing angle depending on whether I am standing at the bow or sitting at the helm. It stays locked in place once you set it, even when you are hitting some chop at higher speeds. It feels like a piece of professional equipment that was designed by people who actually spend their weekends on a boat. One of the features that really impressed me is the Fish ID Plus system. For someone who might be newer to reading sonar returns, this system takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation. It interprets the sonar returns and displays fish icons along with their depth, which helps you decide exactly how deep to set your lines or where to drop your jig. Even for more experienced anglers, it acts as a great secondary confirmation of what the raw sonar data is telling you. The bottom contouring is equally impressive, providing a clear picture of the terrain so you can avoid snagging your gear on rocks or submerged timber. Durability is always a concern with marine electronics, but the PiranhaMAX 4 feels solid and well sealed against the elements. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, which gives you that extra bit of confidence. After several trips in humid conditions and even some light rain, the unit has performed flawlessly without any fogging or interface lag. In summary, the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 strikes a perfect balance between sophisticated technology and user-friendly operation. It provides the kind of high-definition imaging and reliable dual-beam performance that allows you to fish more effectively and with more confidence. Whether you are targeting panfish in a local pond or hunting for bigger game on a large lake, this unit gives you a massive tactical advantage. It simplifies the hunt and turns the underwater world into an open book, making it an essential piece of gear for any serious angler who wants to stop guessing and start catching.